Hi everyone! We're going to be working on text features again. I know we've been covering it all week long, but we are coming to the end of this, and after this, not today, later on, you'll have a project to go over it. So make sure you're paying attention, write notes if you need to, or go back through our videos, go back through these slideshows to help refresh your brain a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We've got text features day 3. So the first one we have is a diagram. So a diagram is a drawing or picture that shows the parts of something or explains how it works. So here's an example of a diagram. And the diagram of this picture is a flower. So we see this is a mature flower, and it has little arrows showing the direction. This is going this way to show the inside of the flower, and then here's the circle going this way, and this is what an up close of what's going on right here. So diagrams really just break down a picture for you. They label all the different parts. Here you've got pedestal, see, and it shows right here. There, the line goes to it. Articulation goes right here. So just breaks down all the different parts of an item. It's not always flowers. It can be different objects or different things you're studying in your book. Next is a map. So this is just a small picture of an area that helps the reader understand where something is located. So you've all seen a map before. It's not always just of the U.S. Obviously, you can have maps of states, maps of counties, maps of towns. Sometimes when you're reading a book, they'll have a map of the area they're talking about. Next one is a sidebar. A sidebar is a box of text on the side of the page that gives extra information about the topic. So this is not included in the paragraph, like the main text of the story or the main text of the article you're reading. The sidebar is it's off to the side, obviously, because it's called a sidebar. So here we've got on the left, that is the main passage, the main text you're reading. But on the right, usually there's a different color in the background, or there's a border going around it, and it says, "Are vampires real?" For real. So this is mostly, it takes up like a brief topic of what you're reading about, and then it goes into a little more depth, or gives you a little extra information. The last one we're going to talk about, I believe, is bullet point. So this is just a small dot symbol used to mark items in a list and make them easier to read. So here's a bullet point list. So the topic is food groups, and then each of these have a bullet point: fruits, veggies, grains, protein, dairy. And this little dot right here, that's the bullet point. Bullet points are usually circles. Sometimes they can be arrows or different little shapes, but for the most part, they just break down different topics within or different subtopics within a topic. So we can break down fruits, and then apple, banana, orange. We break it, here's another food group, veggies, another food group, grains. So those are the 4 that we've talked about today. You'll have your Google form again. You'll go through, do the exact same thing that you've done the past few days. Look at question 1, the picture, and then determine which of these is the text feature it shows. So you've got 4 of those for today, and then we'll have a new assignment for tomorrow. All right. Good luck, everyone.